Ma'am, it is
No,
loading.
loading. Ma'am, it's
हाँ
loading.
हाँ so let's start now. So the activities that make the picture using shapes. So you all, I will give you sufficient time. Means if you want 4 days, if you want 5 days, but not more than that. So in that much timing, you have to make any picture. You can make any picture, but you have to use shape. Like here for wheels. Which shape they have used for wheels?
Circle.
Huh.
Circle.
Huh. Then here in starting that headlights, what they have used?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Hmm. Huh. Then here mostly they have used which shape?
Rectangle.
Huh. And
Rectangle.
for window? For window.
Square.
Square.
Huh. So that
Square.
way you can use different shapes. You can see here this way also it will look when you will use the shapes. Okay. For if you want to draw kite, so kite is also made up of two shapes.
Ma'am, can you show the activity which you have shown first?
I'm showing, I'm showing. You
Ma'am,
can see these pictures. In this also they have used oval, then circle, then triangle. You can see Christmas tree how they have made. So this is not drawing, means that was drawing, and this is that they have used coloring paper. They have used coloring paper. In coloring paper, they have drawn and cut, and then they have to stick. Okay, so this way you can cut and stick also using coloring paper.
excuse me, Zainab, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, um, you you can once more you can show train picture and then second and third one pictures.
हाँ everyone please see here. Then again next, don't tell me again and again.
Okay, ma'am.
And even if you want afterward, video is available only in a YouTube video link. It's a
Yes,
recording.
ma'am.
That time you can see that YouTube video of this lecture.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that you have seen, no? This one. That which shape they have used,
Then we
how they
have to draw.
you can whether you can draw or whether you can use coloring paper. In coloring paper you can draw and you can cut that and then you can stick. Okay. You can
Okay,
see
ma'am.
how they made the tree. Which shape they have used in tree?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle? Where?
Ma'am, in Christmas tree.
No, no, this tree, this tree. Up.
Ma'am, it's
Which one?
circle.
It is
Circle.
circle.
And for trunk, downside trunk.
मैम पेपर में चिपकाने का
Rectangle.
है कि प्रोजेक्ट में?
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Very good. Okay. You can see this aeroplane. They've used oval, then triangle, and then for window, square. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is compulsory.
What?
Ma'am,
It is
I
compulsory.
and Iman will do. Ma'am, I and Iman will do both in one. So then
How you
I
will do
can
it
do
one?
it. I
You
can do
could.
it.
But how can you do both together?
I go at Iman home.
No, no. Right now, even it is not allowed, no, for for small children to go out again and again. If it is necessary, then only you should go out of your home. You should take care of yourself.
Ma'am, it is compulsory to do.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do a paper in paper and a chart paper.
Anything you can use.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
only we have to draw one picture, no?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. मैम इन चारों में से कोई भी एक करना है ना?
Not in this, out of this four. You can do any. This is example. You can do by yourself.
Okay.
Anything. Suppose here it is butterfly, so you can draw any other bird or any other object. Okay? You can do
Okay.
anything. Now you tell me that which game is this?
Ma'am, can I say
Ma'am,
that?
Ma'am, can
it's
I
Can I
insist?
say
football.
Khadija?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
it's
football.
kabaddi.
It
Ma'am,
is
kabaddi.
kabaddi.
Yes.
It's Kabaddi.
So to make someone out means to touch or to save yourself. What you have to do? What you normally do?
Um, Ma'am, save ourselves. Save
How
ourselves.
can we save
Save our
ourselves?
side.
What we have to take care?
Ma'am, that
Ma'am, we
uh,
can say that
another
no
team
one
will
who.
not catch us. Another will not. Other team will not catch us. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And
And
here also, suppose here also, in recess time after eating, sometime those girls or means in PT lecture also, whenever you play anything like that, kho or something you are playing, no? I
yes,
guess.
ma'am. Badminton. Yes, ma'am.
In Kho also or in other games, when someone is coming to touch you or catch you, so that time what you see? You see now the distance, that how much distance is there from which direction that person is coming. So you will change your direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Even you always observe distance, that how much distance is there between me and that person. है ना? So in that distance, everything, you have to use your observation and as well as maths. Means maths you use every time, every day. Whether you use money, whether you spend that money, whether you earn or in any other thing, you use maths only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to tell me that in this, where is the corner? Okay, corner should be there in any pictures. In not in all picture there are corner. In few picture there are corner. So I'm giving 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can give your answer. That in which picture there are corners.
Pineapple. In
Yes.
scissor photo is not not it is half picture.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is not visible, you can zoom your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in pizza's corner that was corner. Ma'am, in
Af-
pizza.
I said no, after 2 minutes we will discuss. So next time don't give the answer, okay? Because every time I give the time not to you to think.
Sorry, ma'am.
So you have to observe this and you have to tell me. Okay, now time is up. So you all can give the answer that from first to picture, full pizza or a piece of pizza.
Ma'am, ma'am, the piece of pizza. Piece of pizza.
Hmm. Now this both road, this is straight road and this is curve road. You can see.
Yes,
You know, no? Straight and curved.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me which has corner, straight road or that curved road?
Ma'am,
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 second picture, curved road.
no,
That.
ma'am. Ma'am, straight road.
Hmm.
Ma'am, straight road.
Straight road.
Straight road.
Straight road.
Straight road.
And in the scissors?
And see
Ma'am,
the
first picture.
first picture.
First picture. Oh, see.
And Alicia is speaking very slowly, like telling the secret, that type. Why your voice is like this?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Is she?
This is a
second.
activity
Khadija.
we have to do.
First picture.
Ah, wait. Who was speaking? Khadija was speaking slowly.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Where are you right now? You are at home or
Ma'am,
at Mumbai?
Zainab ma'am.
Ma'am, at Mumbai.
Okay. You have given the
Ma'am,
test,
we
no?
have to draw
Yes,
this
ma'am.
also in chart paper.
No. This is another thing. This you don't have to draw.
This what is?
Ma'am, what we have to do?
So here also you observe that different kind of objects are given and that corners are given.
First one is
Some angles are formed. You can see.
yes, ma'am.
Here it is mark only. Even you can form different angle using your hands when you will fold. So it forms different angles.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, this is tan.
ma'am,
एक मिनट हाँ, ये कौन बोल रहा है? कुलसुम नो? Yes, कुलसुम.
This is a tan chapter.
हाँ.
oh,
Then I
Ma'am, I don't know. Also.
another student, someone was also speaking with Kulsum.
Zainab, ma'am.
हाँ, कुल sorry, Muskan.
In you had given no activity. What you have done, I cannot understand.
In that activity, you have to use different shape and you have to make picture. Like if you want to make a Christmas tree, use
Yes.
rectangle and triangle. Then if you want to make a engine, then use for wheels you use circle.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
For
ma'am.
like you use for different bike. Who next? Who is? Say your name.
Zainab, ma'am. But we have to do in homework that you had given that you have to make pictures.
Yes.
That you have shown activity.
Ma'am, we have to do in chart paper.
हाँ, you
Excuse
can whether you can do the chart.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, you had now shown third activity. We have to do in chart paper or any white paper, color paper.
हाँ, you can do anyway.
Only one picture we have to make, no?
One picture and that also anything you can draw.
Okay. And you had shown third activity.
Okay,
We have to do
ma'am.
homework.
Like instead
Ma'am, we
of
have to draw in rough also.
Ma'am,
no.
So many are speaking.
Ma'am.
Of your class. Now Muskan, you also mute the mic. Your turn is over now. Kulsum, you also. And
Ma'am,
Kulsum, I said mute the mic. Let someone else speak.
Ma'am, can I speak in short?
But sing your name, those who are speaking.
Insia, ma'am. Can I
Zainab
speak?
ma'am. Zainab
मैम हम
ma'am.
मैम हम 2 पिक्चर्स बनावे तो चलेगा?
हाँ.
ओके मैम.
Zainab ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम. एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Hey, raise your hand and Mehrin,
Zain-
tell me that who are raising the hand.
Zainab ma'am.
Raise your hand, everyone, those who want to ask or say.
Zainab ma'am.
मैम मनीषा बार-बार जैनब मैम.
वो नाम तो नहीं बोल रही है. I said her that you say your name means to everyone that before speaking, please say your name. Still she didn't say because I'm confused between her and Khadija's voice. हाँ, say Alicia.
Um, ma'am, I am telling that we can make 5 picture
Oh, 5 picture. You can make.
because I
Ma'am,
like
Kulsum
drawing,
Alicia has
craft,
raised hand.
everything. Okay, ma'am.
Then who else was asking me something?
Ma'am, Kulsum has raised hand.
Kulsum, say what?
Ma'am, we have to do in rough book also and project also.
Only in project.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you don't send chapter number 9. Answer.
Because then you will copy, so I can't send. Because videos are
No,
there.
ma'am.
You can watch the video and you can write the answer. Simple. Because in the video answers are there only.
Ma'am, but definition is not a.
So I didn't ask definition in exam. In exam I didn't ask definition, no? Anything else now? Anyone else?
No, ma'am. And ma'am, you send chapter number 10 PDF.
That I will send after few days. Right now you concentrate on your exams also. Because now two
Okay,
people
ma'am.
are left now, I think so.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow is last paper.
Okay. Now those want to read this, just raise the hand. And Merin, just tell me who has raised the hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Muskan and Khadija.
Okay. So Muskan, you can read.
Okay, ma'am. Recognizing angles. Put these closed shapes into two groups. Color the shapes with straight lines in yellow and the shapes with curved line in blue.
So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes are there.
Yes,
And you have to use yellow color and you have to mark that, you have to color that, which are made up of straight line. And one is made up of curved line. So here straight line, use yellow color. I'm also using yellow color. So yellow
ma'am.
color. So for straight line, yellow color, and for curved lines, blue color. So here it is given which is straight line and which is curved line. You also already know.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to see one shape. That this first shape is made up of what? Straight line or curved line?
Code line.
Curved line.
Code
Of
line.
blue color.
Curved
Okay. So that way you have to think about all one shape. So after 2 minutes again I will ask you the answers. Okay, you can think, and if you have textbook you can just mark that.
Hello, ma'am. Your voice is not coming.
Because I am not speaking.
Ma'am, Zainab, ma'am.
I said I'm giving 2 minute time and you have to think that this first shape is made up of what? Curve line or straight line? So curve line. So blue color.
This
Then
is
tell me the next one. This shape that is made up of what? Shape straight line or curve lines?
straight line.
So
Curve
which color?
lines.
Line.
Curve line.
Yellow color.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
So
but
that will
page,
you बोलो
Straight
मुस्कान.
curve. Straight
ma'am,
curve.
पेज नंबर ही नहीं है वो वाला.
इसमें पेज नंबर नहीं है.
ये डायमेंशन में ज्योमेट्री बेसिस में.
स्पीक अगेन.
जैनब मैम, आप जो करवा रहे हो वो मेरी टेक्स्ट बुक में पेज नंबर नहीं है. मैंने कितना देखा.
Let me tell you. Page number 143.
43.
हाँ 143.
मैम, उसके अंदर तो ये 10 चैप्टर लिखा है ज्योमेट्री बेसिस.
हाँ in that only.
यस मैम, यस.
And after you finish, please tell me.
Ma'am, my work is done, Mahdi.
Very
मैम, माय
good.
वर्क इज डन. मुस्कान,
Very fast. Very good.
थैंक यू.
Ma'am, my work is finished. Alisha.
मैम, माय वर्क इज डन. राजानी सकीना.
Very good, both of you.
मैम
Yes.
ये टेक्स्ट बुक में ही करना है ना?
Yes.
थैंक यू.
Ma'am. My work is done, Khadija. Ma'am.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, आगे तो कराओ.
But let me listen that everyone has finished or not. I have to wait for other also.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, we have to do in the book these two.
Whether you can do in rough book or whether in the textbook.
Ma'am, we have to draw rectangle, square, and tree shape.
What?
मैम
We have
सुबह को
to do
ठंडी
tree
लगती है.
shape, rectangle, checks, and between.
I can't understand your question.
Ma'am, all the shape we written,
Huh?
you downwards written all the shape yellow in color. We have to draw in three only rough book.
Yes.
मैम
Right now only you give time.
Yes. I have given 2 minutes now.
मैम, नाउ 10 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
So
मैम
let's.
रफ बुक में लिखे तो
मैम,
चलेगा.
only 15 minutes.
Okay. So let's start now. So raise your hand if you want to say about third shape.
I have raised hand.
For this shape also. Merin, say no. Who has raised the hand?
मैम, मुस्कान, खदीजा एंड अलीशा.
Khadija,
मैम
you.
डोंट नॉट कम अलीशा.
Wait, Alisha. Khadija, you tell me about third shape. That it is made up of straight line or curve line.
Ma'am, straight line,
So which color?
yellow color.
Yellow color. So I'm using yellow color. Then next, Alisha, you want to speak now?
मैम, I want to speak. मुस्कान.
Wait. Your turn has come now. That's why I'm asking to Alisha. Alisha, tell me about the fourth shape.
कर्व लाइन.
So which color?
ब्लू कलर.
Then Muskan, you tell me about next.
Ma'am, it is straight yellow color.
Yes.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
can I say?
Ma'am, can I say Inshia?
Ma'am, can I say Mehreen?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
say
can I
Faiza?
say Inshia?
Ma'am, can I say Inshia?
But you have not raised there or you don't have that button.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
Inshia.
have raised
Inshia has
my hand.
raised her hand.
First.
Inchia,
Yes,
say
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
And
cow,
ma'am,
so blue
Faiza
language.
also want to speak.
Okay. Now in next question. Faiza, you can read this.
Okay, ma'am.
To shade.
All the shapes you have colored about in yellow are
Polygon.
polygon, and their side meet a
At a corner.
at corner.
So just now I have shown you pictures. In that also there was the corners. Yes, I have told you and you found also
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
corner. So where these both the sides meet now, that is called corner.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again raise the hand those who want to speak means read this.
Ma'am, Muskan, Alicia, Khadija, Inshia, and Sakina.
Sakina Raja.
Yes, ma'am. Sakina Rajani.
You can read.
Thank you, ma'am. The two sides that meet at a corner from an angle, look at the angles in their games.
Huh. So just now I have shown you that playground. In that also there were corners, if you remember. And out of that corner, if someone goes, then that person will be out. If that person goes out of that line or that corner, then that person will out.
Yes, ma'am.
So here also you can see not playground, but here some other pictures are given from the games. So even your hands also can form the angles. You can see this. This way you can
Yes, ma'am.
make the angles using your hands. So here what is written, two sides that meet at corner forms an angle. You can see here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here also it forms here. Everywhere they are showing. In carom board also. So in the real life also you can see that so many objects there are so many corners. So now this is our exercise. So this heading
Ma'am, I
everyone
have one.
read together.
Mark the
Mark
angles that you
the
see
triangle that
every
you
day.
see in this every object.
So this is everyday object means the object which you are using every day. So in that also some angles are formed. Angles means where two things meet, corner that. So this is room. Even in classroom also where sometime we see no, the corner in the bench also that you sit in that corner, I will sit in this corner.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now again how many minutes you want to think about this? That
Ma'am, only
where are the
1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, one
okay,
minute.
students? How many minutes?
1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
But other students are neither giving the answer and neither saying that how many minutes they want.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Okay.
1 minute only.
So
Because it is easy.
three students have only told me. What about others?
Ma'am, my work is done, Mahari. Ma'am, my work is done, Muskan.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is done, Khadija.
Okay, good. So after finish the homework, raise your hand that Mehrin can count. Then Mehrin, after a few minutes, I will tell you and count and tell me that how many students have raised the hand.
Okay, ma'am. Zainab ma'am.
Hmm?
मैम बट इसमें हमको क्या करने का है?
You have to find that where are the corners, where are the angles. You have seen
ये
now that
पूरे हाँ.
last. Okay, where are the angles? You can
Yes,
follow
yes,
the angles from your hand also. Even I have shown no in starting all these objects.
yes,
You can see here that angles are there in the mouth. Then see
yes,
then these. Okay,
yes.
that way. You have
तो
to find
अभी
where are the corners.
बुक में करूँ ना मैम ये
हाँ,
चारों करके?
हाँ. And who is speaking by the way? Please say your name.
मैम शी इज फाइजा.
Okay.
फाइजा.
मैम ऊपर वाले में से ढूंढना है ना?
From question one only.
ओके मैम.
मैम 1 मिनट में कर रही हूँ.
मैम
No.
कॉर्नर ढूंढना है ना, मेरा हो गया वो तो.
हाँ.
मैं टेम की तुझे करवा देશે.
Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, Zainab ma'am.
Say Muskan.
Ma'am, now it is 10:08. You had given 10:05. Now it is 10:08. Sorry, 10:09.
Okay, okay. And what
Ma'am, in 10A, we have to do which one?
question one?
I don't understand question one.
In question one, you have to see that where are the corners. You see no this one that these are the
Yes,
corners. See these
yes,
angles are found. In the road this angle. Then in this
yes,
piece also here angle. In scissor here angle.
yes,
In clock also here the
yes.
angle is there. Then here in the
Ma'am,
so
yes,
that way you have to see that where are the angles.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but in diary there is not, and cake corner is not there. Cake is there. In Caesar is also there. In A or diary.
Why you can't find the corner? Corner means what? It's if the room is square, then also there are the corners, no? This is rectangular. This diary, and our room
Yes,
is sometimes room is rectangular also or square also. In that
yes.
also there are corners.
Corners. मैम डायरी में कॉर्नर्स किस आती?
रूम में आते हैं वैसे.
ओके मैम, आई गॉट इट.
Okay.
मैम कॉर्नर है उसको टिक करने का जो हम लोग ने फाइंड किया उसको.
हाँ. Who was that? Crying or what?
अलीशा इज देयर. मुसान.
Alisha, why you change your tone of the means how you speak now? Sometimes you speak like singing. Sometimes you speak like
मैम
sharing secret, and sometimes you speak like crying.
मैम वी हैव
Ma'am,
टू
but I
डू
am
क्वेश्चन
speaking in
नंबर
loud
2.
only.
And before few minutes you were saying like you are singing that way.
No, ma'am. I'm
हाँ.
मैम
loud only speaking. I'm not crying. I'm not singing. I'm not secreting.
मैम वी हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आल्सो.
नहीं, only one.
ओके मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम
Ma'am,
कैन
but
आई
you
say
are
name?
But
Ma'am,
why you are
now it
telling
is
that your voice
10:11.
is very slow?
But really, you can
Ma'am, now,
Muskan's voice, Kulthum's voice.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am,
can I say the name?
ma'am,
Yes.
why you are telling that your voice is slow?
You can ask to other girls that sometime your voice is slow.
Yes, ma'am.
But I am speaking loud only.
Right now you are speaking loudly, but before you are saying so slowly. You
yes,
Sometimes
are
ma'am.
saying very slowly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
sometimes secret also. It's
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, first is
Ma'am, आपका
Muskan,
birthday.
second is Khadija, then Sayyeda, Alicia, Kulsum, and Aisha.
Ma'am, can I tell first?
Can I tell first? Ma'am,
Done.
first is
Kulsum.
Muskan.
Muskan say.
Ma'am, in room is indoor also corner.
Yes. Indoor also, four of the side there are corners. Then
Ma'am, then
one.
in window side house type is drawn. No? In
Huh?
window there is also two corner.
Yes.
Then in girls have she had hold a notebook in that also corner.
Book also, indoor also, in that
Yes,
shop,
ma'am.
in one that shells also, then in walls also. Means
Yes,
when
ma'am.
both the walls meet.
Ma'am, and
Excuse me, ma'am, but
ma'am,
indoor is not
listen,
corner.
listen. Excuse me, ma'am. In floor also is corner.
Yes, what Muskan?
Ma'am, in floor also corner. There are
Huh.
four
You
corner.
Ma'am,
where this
ma'am,
meet no there?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, but indoor is not corner.
Listen.
How not corner? Corners are there. See,
Yes, ma'am.
Two corner is only there.
when two
Ma'am,
sides meet, no, that is called corner.
Ma'am, there are
So,
two corners.
so in door you can see this line of the door and this line of the door. They
Yes,
meet
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
corner.
Two
That's
corner
why.
in door and in shelf also and floor also
Yes.
and notebook also.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Next to Merin. What is the time by the way?
Ten
Ma'am,
40.
10:40.
10:14.
1 minute left. Afterward we will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. My answer is right
Bye,
now.
ma'am.
Yes.
Bye, bye,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I
Have a
also know.
Bye,
Yes.
ma'am. Have a
Because
nice day. Have a
all
great
the
day.
time.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice
Wonderful
day.
day.
bye, bye, ma'am. Have a
Great day.
fantastic day.
Yes,
Goodbye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice day. Wonderful day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Same to everyone. And Nida also has joined today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, bye, ma'am. Have a fantastic day.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Ma'am, she is left, Nida.
Means when she is left in my lecture in starting only or just now.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, she's
in
not
No, just
Nida.
now.
She's Tamanna. Ma'am, she's Tamanna. Joining with her sister's ID.
No,
Uh,
ma'am. She is Nida.
Nida only.
Nida Zehra,
Ma'am,
that ID is whose ID?
Ma'am,
ma'am,
in that
Tamanna's ID. Tamanna has
my
Nida.
told me
Nida
that
Abjani.
I am joining in Nida's
Nida
ID. ID.
Will
is
be
Nida.
Nida
And ma'am,
Abjani.
Nida's ID is Nida Zara Abjan is Nida's ID.
Excuse me, Zainab, ma'am. You know that the Z Ice Stone ID is also come.
It is Insia. Yes, ma'am. It is me joining with my laptop. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am has left. Bye, bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Have a
Record is
fantastic
going
day.